Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can export your video as like a GIF, a GIF, or however you say it on CapCut. So I'm just going to select this video randomly because that's the video I have available. So once you're done editing your video and stuff like that, I don't know what the maximum duration is for the GIF, but I'm just going to have mine on 10 seconds. Select the arrow button, the one that you use to export. Now here is where you're going to select GIF instead of videos, so select it. So the one I can use is the standard one, which is the 240p. But if you want a higher quality GIF, you are going to need CapCut Pro for this. But since I don't, I'm just going to select standard and I'm going to select save to device. Oops. And then it's going to be saved as a GIF on my phone, essentially. And yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.